Your cruise packing guide starts now. Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to the channel. You guys know I'm all about that travel life, and today we're about to embark on a packing journey to the last frontier, Alaska. We're talking epic glaciers, majestic whales, and scenery that'll make your jaw drop. Now, packing for an Alaskan cruise? It's a different beast, my friends. You're gonna swing through different climates, from crisp mountain air to the cozy warmth of the ship. Trust me, I've been there, done that, and learned the hard way. That's why I'm hooking you up with the ultimate Alaska cruise packing guide. We're talking about those must-have essentials that'll keep you prepared, comfortable, and ready to capture every breathtaking moment. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get you packed like a pro for the adventure of a lifetime. Binoculars, your window to Alaskan wildlife. All right, first up, we're talking binoculars. And no, I'm not talking about those clunky things your grandpa uses at the horse races. We're in the 21st century, people. You want something compact, lightweight, and easy to toss in your day pack. Think about it. You're cruising through Glacier Bay, surrounded by towering ice formations, and bam! A humpback whale breaches right before your eyes. You don't want to be that person squinting, trying to make out a distant splash. With a good pair of binoculars, you'll be zoomed in, catching every detail of that magnificent creature. We're talking close-ups of whales, eagles soaring overhead, maybe even a glimpse of a curious seal popping up to say hello. Trust me, Alaska is teeming with wildlife, and you don't want to miss a single breathtaking moment. Plus, imagine the envy in your friends' eyes when you show them those crystal clear photos you snagged thanks to your trusty binoculars. Now, I know what you're thinking. Binoculars? Are they really that essential? Let me tell you a little story. A few years back, I was on an Alaskan cruise, and I thought, nah, I'm good. I'll just use my phone camera. Big mistake. Huge. I missed out on so many incredible wildlife sightings because I couldn't see them clearly. Don't be like me. Learn from my mistakes. Get yourself a decent pair of binoculars. You can thank me later. Weatherproof warrior, conquering Alaska's unpredictable skies. Next up, let's talk about Alaska's weather, shall we? It's like a mood ring up there. One minute it's sunny and glorious, the next minute you're caught in a torrential downpour. And trust me, you don't want to be that person huddled under a tiny napkin while everyone else is rocking their rain gear. So, here's the deal. Pack a travel-sized umbrella. I'm talking about those compact, lightweight ones that can fold up and practically disappear into your bag. That way, you're prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way. But wait, there's more. Don't forget a packable raincoat. I'm talking about those magical jackets that fold up into their own little pouch. They're perfect for layering, especially when the wind kicks up on deck. And let me tell you, the wind in Alaska, it's no joke. It'll whip your hair back and steal your hat faster than you can say Denali. So be prepared, my friends. Now, I know what you're thinking. An umbrella and a raincoat? Isn't that a bit overkill? Listen, I'm all about traveling light. But when it comes to Alaska, it's better to be safe than sorry. You don't want to be caught in a downpour, soaked to the bone, with your teeth chattering like a castanet. Trust me, it's not a good look. So, pack that umbrella, pack that raincoat, and thank me later. Power up, keeping your devices juiced in the last frontier. All right, let's talk tech, people. We're living in a digital age, and even in the wilds of Alaska, you're gonna want to stay connected. Whether you're snapping epic photos of glaciers, updating your Insta story with breathtaking views, or just trying to navigate your way around a new city, A dead phone is a traveler's worst nightmare. That's where our next essential comes in, a portable charger. And I'm not talking about those flimsy little things that give you like 10% battery life. I'm talking about a beast of a charger, one that can handle multiple charges, so you can keep your phone, camera, and any other gadgets you're lugging around powered up and ready to go. Trust me, when you're out on an excursion, exploring a glacier, or just enjoying the scenery on deck, the last thing you want to be worried about is your phone dying. Imagine this, you're whale watching and suddenly a humpback breaches right next to the boat. You grab your phone to capture the moment and bam, dead battery. Talk about a missed opportunity. Don't let that be you. Invest in a quality portable charger and keep those devices juiced and ready to capture every unforgettable moment of your Alaskan adventure. Daypack Dynamo. Your trusty sidekick for Alaskan adventures. Now, let's talk about day trips, shall we? Because when you're on an Alaskan cruise, you're not just going to be chilling on the ship all day, are you? No way! You're going to be hopping off at different ports, exploring charming towns, hiking through breathtaking landscapes, and maybe even getting up close and personal with a glacier or two. And for all those awesome adventures, you're gonna need a trusty sidekick, a small day pack. I'm talking about a backpack that's big enough to carry all your essentials: water bottle, snacks, extra layers, camera gear, but not so big that it's weighing you down like a ton of bricks. Trust me, you don't want to be that person lugging around a giant suitcase while everyone else is effortlessly navigating the trails with their sleek and stylish day packs. Think of your day pack as your mobile command center, your portable adventure buddy. It's there to hold all your essentials, keep you organized, and make sure you're prepared for anything the day throws your way. From souvenir shopping in Ketchikan to hiking through the Tongass National Forest, your day pack will be your constant companion, your trusty sidekick on all your Alaskan adventures. Sunscreen, your skin's best friend, even in Alaska. All right, let's talk about something you might not expect to pack for an Alaskan cruise: sunscreen. I know, you're thinking, sunscreen? In Alaska? Isn't it like always cold and cloudy up there? And while it's true that Alaska isn't exactly known for its tropical climate, trust me on this one, the sun can be surprisingly strong, even on chilly days, especially when it's reflecting off the water and the snow. You're going to be spending a lot of time outdoors, soaking up those incredible views, and the last thing you want is to come home from your dream vacation looking like a lobster. So, pack that sunscreen, people, and don't forget to reapply throughout the day, especially if you're sweating or getting wet. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sunscreen? That's so boring. Can't we talk about something more exciting? But trust me, your skin will thank you later. And hey, nobody wants to be that person on the cruise ship with the bright red sunburn, wincing every time someone brushes past them. So, do yourself a favor, pack that sunscreen, and protect that beautiful skin of yours. Pack your bags, adventure awaits. So, there you have it, folks. Your ultimate Alaska cruise packing guide, packed with essential tips and tricks to keep you prepared, comfortable, and ready to capture every breathtaking moment of your adventure. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to packing tips for an Alaskan cruise? What are those must-have items you can't imagine leaving home without? Drop your comments below and share your wisdom with your fellow travelers. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment below for more travel tips, destination guides, and adventure inspiration. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy travels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.